Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to learn how to iterate through a dictionary. So this is our dictionary called person. It has three keys, name, age, and city, and three values, Alice, 25, and New York. And we would like to iterate through this dictionary. To do that, we need a for loop. And we are going to use the for keyword here. Then I'm having two iterating variables here, one named key, one named value. I'm just choosing the name myself, so because I think it's easier to understand it when I'm typing down key and value. So one of the iterating value variables that is called key is going to iterate over name, age, and city, and the value is going to iterate over the associated data to the associated value or data to these keys here. So this value iterating variable is going to take Alice, 25, and New York. When we are typing down the for loop, we know that we need to use the for keyword, and it means that for each key and value in the person dictionary, and we need to have the dot items in empty parentheses. It means that we are calling the items function to go through the items of this dictionary that we are having here. And then in the for loop, in each iteration, we are going to print out the key and value. So when I run this code, I see name, Alice, age 25, city, New York. Basically, in the first iteration, key equals name and value equals Alice. So this is why we see name and Alice in the first iteration. In the second iteration, key equals age, value equals 25. And in the third iteration, key equals city, value equals New York. So this is why we see name Alice, age 25, and city New York. So in the first iteration, key equals name, value equals Alice, and we are printing out key, then value. So key is name, and value equals Alice. In the second iteration, key equals age and value equals 25. We are having age and 25. And in the last iteration, key equals city and value equals New York. This is why we see city and New York in the output. So this is how we can use a for loop to iterate through a dictionary in Python. Thank you for watching.